Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to discuss the sequence and series lesson, exercise number 9.1 in NCERT book. As already we discussed the basics of sequence and series. Let us go with the first question now. Write the first 5 terms of each of the sequences in exercise 1 to 6 problem whose nth terms are given. The an is nothing but nth term of the given sequence. By using this nth term, first you have to find out first 5 terms. First 5 terms as already you know that the sequence is nothing but it is the function of what? Domain as natural number, codomain as real numbers. Domain ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Based on that now, so the natural number becomes natural number ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 so on. But in that first you have to consider first 5 terms only. So now the first 5 terms becomes 1 2 3 4 and 5. So n value becomes what? 1 2 3 4 5 becomes. So let us putting these values in the given nth term. ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಥರ್ಡ್, ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3 and so on. Substituting those in the nth term now. For the first one now, first one ಒಳಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. a1 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ a1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 into bracket ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, an as n into ಕಾಣಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀನಲ್ಲೇ n into bracket n plus 2. So n value is 1 here, 1 plus 2. Only substituting n value, keeping this constant term as it is. Constant term as it is ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So therefore now 1 bracket indicates multiplication here. So 1 into 3 becomes 3 itself. 1 into 3 becomes 3 itself. Next, going with the second term now. N value is 2 now. 2 into 2 plus 2 as it is. Means 2 is the constant as it is. Only n changes here. In bracket 2 plus 2 becomes 4. 4 into 2 is 8 here. Next, third term 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 into 3 becomes 15 here. Next, a4, fourth term 4 plus 2 becomes 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 4s are 24 here. The fourth term is 24 now. Similarly, a5 is means fifth term 5 into 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 is outside. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 5s are 35. So the first 5 terms becomes now. First 5 terms ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 8 15 24 and 35. The first 5 terms of the nth term. Understand the concept? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? Similarly, we go and discuss the second one now. Second one ಏನೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, an is nothing but n divided by n plus 1. Second one ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? The second one is an is nothing but ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ previous n divided by n plus 1 n divided by n plus 1. So now again putting the value n is equal to 1 2 3 4 and 5 now. get the first 5 terms. If n is equal to 1, a1 becomes what? 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So means 1 by 2. First term is 1 by 2. Second term is a2, 2 divided by 2 plus 1. Keeping the n at changing 1 as it is. 1 is the constant term, that will be as it is. So 2 divided by 3. Next, substituting means putting the n value is 3. 3 divided by 3 plus 1 means 3 by 4. Putting the n is equal to 4 now. 4 divided by 4 plus 1 is 4 by 5. Let's see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one becomes what? Similarly 5 by 6. So this way you have to find out the first 5 terms. Understand the concept? Next, go with the third problem now. The third problem is an is equal to 2 raised to n is there. An is nothing but 2 raised to n is there. So similarly, taking the n values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. The first one becomes what? 2 raised to 1. Second one becomes 2 raised to 2. Third one becomes 2 raised to 3. Fourth one becomes 2 raised to 4. And fifth one is 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 1 is 2 itself. 2 raised to 2 is 4. 2 raised to 3 is means. ಈಗ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 2 raised to 2 ಆದಾಗ 2 into 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 raised to 3 ಆದಾಗ 2 into 2 into 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 raised to 4 ಆದಾಗ 2 into 2 into 4 times. So 2 2s are 4. Next 2 into 2 into 2 becomes 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again 2 into 4 times 8 2s are 16. Next 2 raised to 5 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So the first 5 terms becomes 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Understand the concept? So this is the third problem now. Going with the fourth problem now. Fourth one discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ. The fourth one now. n as n is there. Fourth one now. 2n minus 3 divided by 6 is there. n minus 3 divided by 6 is there. Is it right? Next, fourth one more same concept. n is equal to 1 consider matter. n is equal to 1. a1 becomes what? 2 into 1 minus 3 divided by 6. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ 2 1s are 2 minus 3 divided by 6. First subtract the numerator. 2 minus 3 becomes what? Minus 1 by 6. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ minus 3 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Greater value sign is minus here, so minus 1 by 6 1. Next, go and substitute the n is equal to 2 in the nth term. a2 becomes what? 2 into 2 minus 3 divided by 6. Means 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3 divided by 6. Is it right? 4 minus 3 becomes what? 1 here, 1 by 6 will come. Next, n is equal to 3 now. a3 becomes what? 2 into 3 minus 3 divided by 6 here. So 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 3 divided by 6. 6 minus 3 divided by 6. So numerator remains what? 3 by 6. You can also write it as 3 1s are, 3 2s are. The third term becomes 1 by 2. Now taking the same n is equal to 4 now. The a4 becomes what? 2 into 4 minus 3 divided by 6 now. So now 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 3 divided by 6. 8 minus 3 is 5 by 6. So the fourth term becomes what? 5 by 6 now. Next, taking n is equal to 5 now. a5 becomes what? a5 becomes 2 into 5 by minus 3 divided by 6 is there. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 3 divided by 6 is there. So 10 minus 3 becomes what? 7. 7 by 6 is the fifth term. This is what? Fifth term. So this way you have to find out the first 5 term. First term is minus 1 by 6. Second term is plus 1 by 6. Next third term is 1 by 2. Fourth term is 5 by 6. Fifth term is 7 by 6. So this way you have to find out the fourth problem. Next, go with discussing the next question, that is fifth one. Fifth one ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ different ಐತೆ, simple ಐತೆ, ಅದರ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The fifth one ಏನೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Fifth one ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Fifth problem is n as they are given as minus 1 raised to n minus 1 is there into what? 5 raised to n plus 1 is there. 5 raised to n plus 1 is it right? 5 raised to n plus 1 is. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. a1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 1 putting the n value now. n value ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಉಳಿಕೆದೆಲ್ಲ as it is ಬರೀರಿ. n is nothing but 1 here, minus 1 raised to 1 minus 1 here, next 5 raised to 1 plus 1 here, minus 1 raised to 1 minus 1 becomes what? 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 raised to 0. Here 5 raised to 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So minus 1 raised to 0. Anything raised to 0, ಅದು minus 1 ಅಂತಲ್ರಿ. Anything raised to 0 is 1 itself. ಅದು 10 raised to 0 ಇರಲಿ, 8 raised to 0 ಇರಲಿ, minus 1 raised to 0 ಇರಲಿ, all values are 1 here. Raised to exponent 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು value 1. 5 raised to 2 is 25. 5 raised to 2 is 25. So the first term becomes what? 25. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 25 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Go and substitute the second term. n is equal to 2 now. 5 raised to 2 minus 1 raised to 2 minus 1 becomes. n ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬೆಲೆ 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ minus 1. Next 5 raised to 1, n plus 1 is there, means 2 plus 1 comes now. 2 plus 1 comes now. So here minus 1 raised to 2 minus 1 is 1 here, 5 raised to 3 it will becomes. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 raised to 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಐತಿ, ಅದು raised to minus 1 raised to 1 ಐತಿ. ಇದು ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಅದೊಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಈವನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗಿದ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ minus 1 raised to 3 ಆದ್ರೆ minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಅದು ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 becomes minus 1 itself. So therefore minus 1 raised to 1 becomes minus here, means minus 1. Minus 1 into 5 raised to 3, minus 1 as it is, 5 raised to 3 is 25. 5 raised to 3 is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 are 25. 25 5s are 125. So 125 into minus 1 is minus 125. So therefore what? So the second term becomes what? Minus 125. Second term ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 125. So this way you have to find out the second one. Similarly n is equal to 3 now. a3 becomes what? Minus 1 raised to 3 minus 1, 5 raised to 3 plus 1. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 raised to ಏನಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು 3 minus 1 becomes 2 here, 5 raised to 4 comes 1. 5 raised to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 ಬರ್ತದೆ. So similarly minus 1 raised to 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 125 into 4 5 minus 1 2 becomes 1 itself. 5 4 is nothing but 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. So therefore the third term is 625 here. Next, going with the fourth now, L is equal to 4 now. A4 becomes what? Minus 1 raised to 4 minus 1. 5 raised to 4 plus 1 here. Minus 1 raised to 3 comes here. 5 raised to 5 comes. Remember, minus 1 raised to 3 and then negative will be as it is, means minus 1 will be as it is. So 5 raised to 5 now. 5 raised to 5 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ 5 raised to 5 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3125. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ತೋರಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಲಾವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625, 625 5s are 3125. 3125 into minus 1 becomes minus 3125 into the fourth term. Again, fourth term. Similarly, going with the n is equal to 5 now, a5 becomes minus 1 raised to, so n is nothing but 5 here, 5 minus 1, 5 raised to 5 plus 1, so means minus 1 raised to 5 minus 1 becomes what? 4, 5 raised to 5 plus 1 is 6 here, minus 1 raised to ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, minus 1 raised to 4 ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, 5 raised to 6 becomes now. So 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625, 625 5s are 3125. So 3125 5s are 15,625. 15,625 will be the answer. So 1 into 15,625 becomes as it is. So this is the fifth term. So understand the concept. This way you have to solve the nth term, and by using that nth term you have to find out the first 5 terms. Understand the concept? Next, go and discuss the last one. Last one is noted n, they are given as n into n square plus 5 divided by 4. N square divided by 5 plus 4, they are given. So I will take this question in the next slide. So ಇದು 6th question ರೀ, ಕಾಣಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 6th question. The 6th question is n, they are given as n into n square plus 5 divided by 4, they are given. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಡಾಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ n ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ n is equal to 1, a1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 into 1 square plus 5 divided by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 5 by 4. 1 square is 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 1 into 6 by 4. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನ, 2 2s are 2 3s are, so the first term becomes what, 3 by 2. So now n is equal to 2 now, a2 becomes what, 2 into n ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So 2 will be as it is, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 by 4. So ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 1s are 2 2s are, so 9 by 2 will becomes. So hangandre second term ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 9 by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Similarly considering the n is equal to 3 now, a becomes 3, 3 into 3 square plus 5 divided by 4. You have to substitute n now. 3 as it is, 3 square plus 5. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 by 4 now. So here 2 2s are 2 7s are 7 into 3 becomes 21 divided by 2. That is the third term. Then I think third term. Next, taking the n is equal to 4 now. A4 becomes what? 4 into 4 square plus 5 divided by 4 as it is. n ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ 4 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So 4 will be as it is. 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 by 4. So another 4 4 cancel ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿದ್ರಿ last? Only 21 remains. The fourth term is 21 now. Similarly, fifth term now. A5 now. 5 into 5 square plus 5 divided by 4. n ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 5 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 5 as it is. 5 square is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30 by 4. 30 by 4. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ 2 2s are 2 15s are ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ 15 5s are 75. 75 by 2. So the fifth term is 75 by 2. So this way you have to solve the sixth problem now. Understand the concept? Next, go and discuss all six problems are over now. Next, go with the seventh problem now. So now here they ask find the indicated term in each of the sequences from 7 to 10 question. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ದೇ ಮೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ದ seventh problem now. The seventh problem they are given as n as 4n minus 3 now. What they ask? ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಕ್ವಶನ್? ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. The first one is a17. The first term is a17 and the second one is a24. a17 ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ n is equal to 17 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. a24 ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ n is equal to 24 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So therefore now a17 becomes what? 17 4s are multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. next minus 3 substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. The seventh problem becomes now. seventh problem ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 17 4s are 68. ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 68 minus 3 comes what? 65. ಅದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 65 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನಾವು. a24 ನಾವು 4 as it is. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ 24 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಏನಿದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ 24 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 24 into 4 ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಲಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಅದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 24 into 4 becomes what? 96. 96 minus 3 is 93 here. So therefore the seventh problem is only they ask a79 a24 now. And going with the next one now. 8 1 ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. n they are given as n square divided by 2 raised to n. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕ್ರಿ? a7 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. and means a7 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ n is equal to ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು? 7 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು 7 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 2 raised to 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 7 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 2 raised to 7. 7 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 7s are 49. ಇಲ್ಲೇ a raised to 7 2 raised to 7 ಇದ್ರಿ. 2 raised to 7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು 2 ನ. 7 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 ನ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 2s are 16 16 2s are 32 32 2s are 64 64 2s are 128. So the 2 raised to 7 is nothing but 128. A reaches a7 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. Understand the concept? That is the 8th one. 8th one complete ಆಯ್ತು. Similarly, go and discuss the 9th one now. 9th one discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ. ninth one they are given as n as ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ರಿ -1 raised to n minus 1 into n cube they are given ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ n ಅಂತ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕ್ರಿ a9 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು means n is equal to 9 you have to consider n is equal to natural number ಯಾವುದು ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ 9 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ substitute the values in the given nth term now -1 as it is n is nothing but 9 here 9 minus 1 comes similarly n becomes 9 here 9 raised to 3 comes so now -1 raised to 8 9 raised to 3 as it is ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಈವೆನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಂದ್ರೆ that will becomes plus so -1 raised to 8 is -1 into -1 into so 8 times so therefore -1 raised to 8 is nothing but 1 itself 9 into 9 raised to 3 9 raised to 3 is 9 9s are 81 81 9s are 81 81 9s are 729 9 raised to 3 is 9 9s are 81 81 9s are 721 so answer is 721 sorry 729 so this way you have to solve the 9th problem go and discuss the next one 10th one discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಸಿ ಅದ ರೀ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ the n they are given as n into n minus 2 divided by n plus 3 they ask a20 now means n is equal to 20 you have to consider the a20 becomes what a20 becomes n value is 20 20 minus 2 divided by 20 plus 3 20 into 20 minus 2 divided by 20 plus 3 so 20 as it is so here comes 18 this comes 23 so answer becomes what 20 into 18 divided by 23 so answer ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 20 into 18 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 18 2s are 36 0 is there 0 denominator 23 means I so so this way you have to solve the 10th problem understand the concept so next go and discuss 13 12 11 12 13 14s having a different term write the first 5 terms of each of the sequences here they are simple one so now first 5 terms ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ first 5 terms ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ this one the 11th one I will solve now a1 is 3 here an they are given as 3 a n minus 1 here next plus 2 is there this is the question nth term and all are greater than 1 here means n is always greater than 1 here first 5 terms you have to find out already we know the first one a1 ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ a2 a3 a4 a5 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು n is equal to ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ n is equal to 2 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು n is equal to 2 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ n ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ n ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 as it is 2 minus 1 is a1 comes plus 2 ಬಂತು ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ a1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ a1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ 3 here 3 plus 2 this way you have to find out 3 3s are 9 9 plus 2 is 11 understand the concept first they are already given the first you have to find out the second third fourth and fifth term to find out the second term you have to substitute n is equal to 2 n becomes 2 here 2 minus 1 is 1 3 as it is 3 into a1 plus 2 is there a1 value is 3 here 3 into 3 is 9 9 plus 2 becomes 11 so this way you have to find out the second term similarly go and find out the third term now a3 3 into a3 minus 1 plus 2 as it is. Next what? 3a2 plus 2. 3a2 plus 2. So a2 value already found it, that is 11. 3 into 11 plus 2 comes now. 3 into 11 plus 2. So means 11 3s are 33. 33 plus 2 is 35. So hangandra previous a1 ಲಿಂದ a2 ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅದು 11 ಆಯ್ತು. a2 ಲಿಂದ a3 ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅದು 35 ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ a1 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು 11 ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a2 ಬಂತು 35 ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? n is equal to 4 now. So hangandra n is equal to 4 ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ರಿ. n is equal to 4 now. a4 becomes what? a4 is 3, a 4 minus 1 comes plus 2 as it is. 3 into a 4 minus 1 is 3 here. So here you have to find out what? 3a3 plus 2. a3 value is how much? 35 is there. 3 into 35 plus 2. 3 into 35 plus 2. Another 35 3s are 35 3s are 105 plus 2. Sorry. Right, 105 plus 2, that is 107. So this way you have to find out the fourth term, and the last one becomes now fifth term. Fifth term is what? n is equal to 5 here. a5 becomes what? 3 into a. n is nothing but 5 here. 5 minus 1 plus 2 as it is. 3a4 it will come plus 2 as it is. Next, a4 is nothing but 107 is there. a4 is nothing but 107 is there plus 2 as it is. So now 3 into 107 becomes 321. 321 plus 2 is 323. So this way you have to find out the first 5 terms. Understand the concept? So similarly, the here 12th one is there, 13th one is there, and last one Fibonacci sequence they are already given. So let's go and discuss the 12th one now. The 12th problem is a1 they are given as minus 1, an they are given as an minus 1 divided by n they are given. So from this you have to find out the first 5 terms now. Already first term we know. Taking n is equal to 2 now, a2 becomes what? a2 now, a2 minus 1 divided by 2 as it is, because n is there. Here an minus 1 is there. So a2 minus 1 is a1 divided by 2. The first term is nothing but minus 1 by 2. This becomes the second term. Similarly, finding the n is equal to 3 now. n is equal to 3, substitute ಮಾಡಿ a3 becomes what? a3 becomes a3 minus 1 divided by 3. a3 minus 1 is nothing but a2 divided by 3 as it is. So now a2 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. a2 is nothing but minus 1 by 2 and divided ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ 3 ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ರಿ, 3 ಐತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, minus 1 by 2 as it is, 3 by 1 ಇದ್ದದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆದಾಗ 3 by 1 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ therefore answer becomes what? minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ 2 into 3 is 6. So answer is minus 1 by 6. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು 3 by 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 3 by 1 ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 3 by 1 ಇದ್ದು 1 by 3 ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 2 3 is 6. So this way you have to find out the third term. Next go and discuss the fourth term now. Fourth term consider the fourth term becomes now n is equal to 4 now. Substituting n is equal to 4 in the nth term now. 4 minus 1 divided by 4 as it is. So this becomes a3 divided by 4. So a3 value is how much? a3 value ಏನಾಗೈತ್ರಿ minus 1 by 6 ಆಗೈತಿ divided by 4. So ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 by 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ minus 1 by 6 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 by 4 ಆತ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದ minus 1 by 24 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus 1 by 24. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 6 into 4 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು 24 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನಾವು. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋದ್ರೆ a5 becomes now a4 divided by 5. ಇದು 5 minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. a4 is nothing but minus 1 by 24 is there divided by 5. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ 6 into 4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 24 ಬಂದೈತ್ರಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 24 into 5 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 24 into 5 becomes what? 120. So here minus 1 divided by 120. So this way put the term out. And the next one 39 14 I will tell you in the next video. So thank you one and all.